Welcome to the 8th and final video of this playlist. Today, we will remove items from the state. As mentioned in my previous video, we will first create an event handler function. But before that, let's make a simple change. Instead of key in an array, change them to ID. In the item component, add item.id. Then create a function handle remove item. Add id as a parameter. Then let me add this code. So here we use setItems to update the state. Instead of changing the existing state directly, we use a callback function that gives us the previous items. The filter method goes through each item and keeps only those whose ID doesn't match the given ID. So the item with the matching ID is removed and React updates the UI automatically. Now, this close button is not in the app component. It is in the child component item. So how can we pass this function to the child component? We can do this via props. So in the item component, add remove item. Add a callback function handle remove item and pass item.id. Now in the item component, in the button add onClick event, then add props.remove item. Check the preview. It works. Great. This is the end of this finalization. Thank you so much for choosing my YouTube channel to learn this React project, grocery list. I will see you again in my next video.